Hello everyone, my name is Sam. I am a nutritionist GP. Welcome to my nutritional presentation today. Today's topic will be on vitamin B4. As usual, before I begin my presentation, I just want to show my disclaimer. Now let's begin. Previously, we have discussed vitamin B1, 2, and 3 on prior presentation. As you can see on the right hand side label here, we have got B1, B2, B3, and suddenly we have got B5. So the question is, where is vitamin B4? I am a curious person and I am sure you are as curious as I am. So we will now discuss more about vitamin B4. So vitamin B4 is also known as adenine. It used to be called vitamin B4, but not anymore because vitamin B4 no longer meets the World Health Organization definition of what a vitamin is. So a vitamin by definition is a organic molecule that is essential and required for normal human growth and is needed in our diet because they cannot be produced by the human body. So initially it was thought that adenine or vitamin B4 could not be synthesized within the body. But now it is found out that adenine can actually be produced by the human body. Therefore, it is no longer classified as a vitamin, and vitamin B4 is as a result removed from the list. So, although adenine is no longer classified as a vitamin, adenine is still a very important organic molecule. Firstly, it is actually a component of vitamin B2 and B3 and work closely with them. If you recall from our vitamin B2 presentation, you realize that vitamin B2, the basic form is known as riboflavin. It is then converted to the more active form or coenzyme form, the flavin mononucleotide, FMN for short, which is then further converted into flavin adenine dinucleotide, or FAD for short. As you can see here, adenine is actually part of this FAD molecule, okay, containing nitrogen atom here. In a similar way, if you remember our presentation on vitamin B3, you remember that there are three basic forms of vitamin B3. They are the nicotinic acid form, the nicotinamide form, and the nicotinamide riboside form. All of these will then be converted into nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide, which can then be further converted into nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide phosphate. As you can see here, adenine, as it is part of vitamin B2, is also part of vitamin B3 structure, as you can see here. So, adenine, okay, other than being part of vitamin B2 and B3, adenine can also combine with a sugar molecule called ribose to form adenosine. And adenosine is part of our energy currency called adenosine triphosphate. And adenosine is highly important for normal heart function and help to speed up energy production. As you can see here, we have got the ribose molecule, which is a sugar molecule, and it can react with an adenine molecule, okay, inside the cell, and is converted into an adenosine molecule, okay, plus a water molecule here. The adenosine molecule can then be further processed, okay, and then converted into adenosine triphosphate, or ATP for short, which is the energy currency that our body uses, okay, in all metabolic processes. So without ATP, nothing will move, and no reaction will occur, and we will not have the energy to move, to see, to hear, or to even absorb nutrients that require active transport. Next, other than being part of vitamin B2, B3, and ATP, adenine is also an important component of both DNA and RNA, which are essentially our genetic materials. We will discuss more in depth about this in future presentation because it is a very complicated topic on its own. Additionally, adenine is also involved in protein synthesis and many other associated chemical processes within the cells. So as you can see here in this diagram, the top diagram here is a molecule of RNA nucleotide that has got an adenine base, as you can see here. And the bottom figure here is a DNA nucleotide, which also has got an adenine molecule that contains nitrogen atoms. The difference between the adenine RNA nucleotide and the adenine DNA nucleotide is that DNA stands for deoxyribose, which means that the oxygen atom has been removed. So you can see I have highlighted here that there is no oxygen molecule here, atom here, and there's an oxygen atom here. So adenine is very important, and it is needed for energy production, protein production, and is part of our DNA material. Therefore, adenine, the former vitamin B4, is needed for healthy cell and tissue formation, optimal immune system function, including antibody formation. Other functions that adenine play a role in includes increasing sensitivity of the cells to insulin, maintaining healthy blood sugar levels. It also possesses antioxidant activities, therefore help us to fight off the activities of free radicals. Additionally, it also may help to stimulate the release of the hormone called motilin from the gastrointestinal tract. Next, we will discuss where we can find adenine. Although adenine can be produced within our cells, it can also be taken orally from an external source. Food that are rich in adenine include fresh vegetables, fresh fruits, and whole grains. Other herbs will include ginger, clove, thyme, sage, spearmint, jojoba, hawthorn, and black thistle. Some supplements such as propolis and bee pollen and raw unprocessed honey also contain high amount of adenine. In summary, adenine, the former vitamin B4, works synergistically with vitamins B2 and B3 to generate energy, which is needed for all metabolic processes within the body. It is also a component of our DNA material, our RNA material, and our ATP, which is the energy currency that is needed for all metabolic processes. And it is also a component of the coenzymes NAD, which is nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide, and the coenzyme FAD, which is flavin adenine dinucleotide. Therefore, adenine is still a very important molecule. Thank you very much for watching my nutritional presentation. If you like my presentation, please kindly subscribe and share. Thank you. Again, stay alive, stay safe, and stay healthy. Many thanks. Have a nice day.